Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a text review animation title in Filmora 10 in less than 5 minutes or so. Hopefully it will be 5 minutes because normally it will take longer than I expected. Alright, so let's go to the software. Okay, so right now I'm inside Filmora 10 and this is my example project, and actually we have a title here and some filter and some overlay here with kinds of some interesting things that I want to add to the title. By the way, you don't have to create all of this, so let's delete everything on the timeline first. Alright, so let's also unhide all the track here, and the first thing you want to create a title. Okay, so first thing, go to title here and then go to the recommended folder here and find the default title. I always want to use the default title because it has no animation, so we can customize it and control the animation and the text inside. Alright, so let's use this one. So just click this button, add to project, to bring it to the timeline. And this is 5-second title. By the way, you can make it 3 seconds, 4 seconds, or stuff like that. It's up to you. Alright, so let's go to advanced edit. Right click at the title box on the timeline and then select advanced edit. Now we are at the advanced editor. So the first thing, we want to create a line and then we want to create a text. And the first thing, we want to change the text first. So this is the text review animation. Okay, by the way, you can change the fonts and size and stuff like that right here. So I want to make it 46. And remember, when I ask you to when I tell you to create a cinematic title, we need a shadow for the text, right? And let's go back to here. Here we can scroll it down here to the text shadow, and remember to check this box to have the text shadow for your text, and also select the type of the shadow, any type you want. Okay, for me, I'm going to select this one and I'm going to select the distance 4. And then it's okay. So the first text is okay, and the next thing, we want to select the animation for the text. So I want to review it from the bottom to the top. So we are going to the animation tab here and then find this one, up direction insert. So I'm going to double click at the animation. Okay, so we have this one. Very nice, right? And the next thing, we want to add a line under the text. To do that, we can click here at the add shape, and then we are going to click this line to add a line. Okay, and we're going to click on that on the preview window and then resize it to this side, and also adjust the side. And the next thing, we want to make it a little bit bigger. Then we can go to the customize section here and scroll down right here to the shape folder. And first thing, I want to change it to the white color. Okay, so let's click here and click more, and then we can select a white color here and let's click OK. And also we want to make it bigger, so we want to increase the border here. 3, yeah, I think 3 is enough. And the next thing, we want to select the animation for this line. Also do the same with the text. So we are going to double click. We are going to select the line here and then go to the animation. And now I want to make this line insert from left to right. Okay, so we have a up and down direction insert, and now we have a left and right direction insert. So I'm going to select left, but if you want to make it from the right, you can select right direction insert. So let's preview it first. Very nice. But the animation, the animation between the text and the line is something that we want to adjust. So we want the line to appear first and then the text will review. Okay, to do that, we can adjust the text right here. So we are going to click here at the beginning the text track and then click and drag it to the right to adjust the appearance effect of the text. Okay, so let's preview it. Nice, right? By the way, I can see that the line is not 100% alignment. It is not straight, so I want to adjust it a little bit more. Okay, so let's play it again. I think it's cool now. By the way, if you want to customize your text, like adjust the text space and some other thing, you can do now. Okay, then finally you can click OK. Let's preview the exit animation. Okay, so it is finished for the first animation for our text, and here we can preview it. Alright, and I want to add a fade out effect for the text and the line also at this title. So we are going to add another keyframe here. So let's move the playhead to the end of the title, and then we're going to select the animation keyframe here. Just click on that and move some frame forward, maybe right here, and we want to reduce the opacity to 0 for all the text and the line, and this is the final result for our product. I think it's very interesting, right? Okay, so technically this is how you can create a text preview animation effect in Filmora 10. By the way, I want to add some more filter and some overlay to make it a little bit more interesting. So if you want to do the same like me, you can do so. Okay, to add more filter and overlays to this title, all you need to do is to go to the effect, and I'm going to select the lens flare because I use the lens flare number 6. So we have here number 5, number 6. This is the first effect I use for my title. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and the other thing is go to the old film and we find the silent film, so it can create a vignette look for my title. And the next effect I want to add here, we go to the recommended folder, and now we have this one, dramatic aberration. We're going to drag and drop it here. And another, the final effect I add to my title is the video world, so it type this one. Okay, so let's preview the final result. Okay, so that is how you can create a text preview animation effect in Filmora 10 in less than 5 minutes. Hopefully it is 5 minutes or maybe 10 minutes. And I hope you like the video. If you do, let me know at the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.